Hi everyone, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm very excited to show you a quick and easy 5-minute recipe to make a creamy vegetable soup with ingredients that you probably already have on hand in your kitchen as well. And I'll also go over some substitutes that you can use so you can make your own version of this and start eating a healthy lunch or dinner in no time. So let's get started.
Cooking with plants, vegan made easy.
So I would normally use a saucepan for this, but today I'm going to use my electric fry pan just so I can plug it in and have it in front of the camera to show you how to make this quick and simple soup. Now what I've done is I've got some various vegetables from the freezer. I've got half a cup of corn. I'm just going to place that into this pan. I'm also adding in half a cup of frozen peas. You can use any frozen vegetables that you like, or if you have fresh vegetables on hand that you'd like to use, then use them up. Mushrooms work great, capsicums work great, some grated carrot is delicious. Just think of things that are going to cook very, very quickly if you want to have this meal on the table in no time flat. I'm also adding in half a cup of beans. So they're frozen beans, but again, you could use fresh beans also. And then I'm just going to put in 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1/4 of a cup of chickpea flour or besan flour. This will actually make it super creamy and healthy. It adds protein, it adds iron, and it makes this a nutritious meal that you can use every day if you want to. It's just fast, simple and delicious and very nutritious and good for you. So if you struggle to make plant-based meals, you don't know how to put your breakfast together, your lunch, your dinner, then I've got a free 7-day meal plan down below that you can download straight to your computer, print it out, and then take it to the shops with you to buy those ingredients, and it'll get you started for a whole week. So be sure to check that out because it really does work and lots of people have used it and absolutely love it. Now, the next thing I'm adding is 500 mils or about half a litre of vegetable broth. I'm just going to give this a bit of a stir through before I turn the heat on, just to make sure that the flour is well combined, otherwise it can go clumpy in here. Or you could even mix a little bit of the vegetable broth in a small jar with a screw top lid and give it a shake just to make sure it's all blended up and mixed together. But I just combine it all in here and I find it just works perfectly, and it's a little bit less washing up at the end of the day. So that's always a bonus. Okay, so now that this is mixed through, I'm just going to heat this up and let it thicken. While this is heating up, I'm also going to add some pepper. I've got some smoked pepper on hand, but if you just have regular pepper, that's absolutely fine. I just love the smokiness that the smoked pepper gives this dish. I'm also going to add in a little bit of white pepper. It just engages a different part of your palate. It tastes a little bit different and it gives a nice peppery, rounded flavor to this whole soup. So give that a try. If you don't normally use white pepper, combining it with the black really is delicious. So after just a couple of minutes of stirring and heating this soup up, you can see it's gone nice and creamy, and that chickpea flour just works its magic and makes it so thick and delicious. And if you want to, you can add some more vegetable broth if you prefer your soups a little bit more liquidy, or you could add in some plant-based milk as well to make it extra creamy. But I love it just like this, so I'm just going to turn this heat off. And then this is ready to go. I'm going to have this for my lunch, and I'll just add in a little bit of fresh lemon juice and top it with some chili flakes and some paprika. And it's just one of the fastest meals you can make that's simple, quick, delicious, and it has lots of nutrients in it. It has protein, it has the vitamins and minerals from the vegetables. So you've got a really nice rounded meal here, and it smells really good. I really need to taste this. Yum. That is so delicious. Please give this a try. I would love to see your creations. Take some photos and share them over in my Facebook group. I would love to see what you make and which vegetables you like to use in your creamy soup. Absolutely delicious. Please make it, and I'll see you for the next recipe. Bye for now. That's so good. Yum.